This is David Bailey. This is a nature channel, and today we are finding two very rare species.
The bobchickeness and the jimchickeness.
We're waiting for Jim and Bob.
Less. When I Google, I only get depressed. I was taught to dodge those issues. I was told, don't worry, 'cause no doubt there's always something. Get tired and upset, and I'm trying to care a little less. When I Google, I only get depressed. I was taught to dodge those issues. I was told, don't worry, 'cause no doubt there's always something to cry about. And when you're stuck in an angry crowd, they don't think what they say before they open their mouth. You gotta pack up your troubles in your own big bag and bury them beneath the sea. I don't care what the people may say, what the people may say about me. Pack up your troubles, get your own big bag. Don't worry about the Calvary. I don't care what the whisperers say, 'cause they whisper too loud for me. Hot topic. Maybe I should drop it. It's a touchy subject, and I like to tiptoe around the tiff going down. You got a penny, no pound. So if your business is running out, it's not my business to talk about. But they don't think what they say before they open their mouth. You gotta pack up your troubles in your own big bag and bury them beneath the sea. I don't care what the people may say, what the people may say about me. Pack up your troubles, get your own big bag. Don't worry about the Calvary. I don't care what the whisperers say, 'cause they whisper too loud for me. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Pack up your troubles in your own big bag and bury them beneath the sea. I don't care what the people may say, what the people may say about me. Pack up your troubles, get your own big bag. Don't worry about the Calvary. I don't care what the whisperers say, 'cause they whisper too loud for me. Yeah.
I think we've been spotted by the spotters.